Okay. You can bring your shoulders all the way up towards your ears. And let them fall. Good. And shoulders come up all the way up, 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 up. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And let it fall.
Ooh.
Good. That yawn also is a sign of you getting into that parasympathetic nervous system state. Just, all right, let's do it one more time. Shoulders up, 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 up. And release. Good. You can raise your left hand up high. And then exhale, bend over to the side. And just remembering to breathe here and doing whatever is accessible for your body.